Can undersized heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems wear out faster? Yes, because they often run too long, work harder than they should, and cycle under extra strain. An undersized system is one that is too small for the house, so it cannot heat or cool the space the right way. That means it may stay on for a long time trying to catch up, instead of shutting off when it should. When a machine runs for too many hours, its parts can get hotter, and that extra heat can wear out motors, compressors, and fans sooner. It can also make the rooms feel uneven, so one part of the house feels okay while another part still feels uncomfortable. A lot of people do not realize that a system can be harmed not only by turning on and off too much, but also by never getting enough rest. One important clue is that an undersized system may seem fine on mild days but struggle badly during very hot or very cold weather. If you notice long run times, weak airflow, or rooms that never reach the set temperature, that is a sign the equipment may be too small. The best action is to have a proper load calculation done so the equipment size matches the house, insulation, windows, and sun exposure. A common mistake is assuming a bigger system is always better, but too much size can also cause problems, like short cycling and poor humidity control. Another mistake is blaming the thermostat when the real issue is ductwork that is too small or leaky, because that can make even a good system act weak. People also forget that dirty filters and blocked vents make an already undersized system work even harder, so changing filters on time can help reduce stress. A useful tip is to listen for non-stop running and check whether every room is getting air, because that can point to a sizing problem instead of a simple repair. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.